Yeah, nigga, what's up with all that motherfucking shit you was talking, nigga?
Hey, Jay, why you tripping? Why you
Fuck that,
tripping,
nigga.
now?
What's up with all that shit you was talking,
I ain't
nigga?
saying that. Why you tripping
You
on the
motherfucking lie, nigga. That was you.
No, that wasn't
That
me.
was you, nigga.
That
Hey,
wasn't
hey,
me.
check this out, motherfucker. What's wrong, nigga? You can't talk with a gun in your mouth.
Nah, it wasn't me.
You can't talk with a gun in your mouth.
It wasn't me.
Listen up, nigga. You know Lucifer?
Nah.
You're about to meet him, motherfucker.
A nigga with a motherfucking gun.
44 reasons come to mind why your motherfucking brother is hard to find. He been walking on the streets and fucking with mine. Stupid punk can't fuck with a mastermind. See, I never take a step on a Compton block or a lay without the AK ready to pop. Cause them punk motherfuckers in black and white ain't the only motherfuckers I got to fight. I think it's better to be telling the facts than cuffed up and jacked and fucked up with your niggas looking at you going, God damn, cause it's the city and for you to survive a nigga gotta be a gangster. And I'm a nigga you can't remove. So got a lot of motherfuckers that trying to prove to they homies they can hang by dealing with me. But once again in the end that D-E-A-D, I never did time on a murder yet. Cause I relax and back do a job and jet. Yo, I know you understand my flow, so here we go with Death Row. Come let a motherfucker know. A motherfucker who's known for carrying gaps and kickbacks that make snaps, adapts to any environment that I'm located at. If you see me on a solo move, believe it, I'm strapped. Trade 8 or AK-47. It's rolling but short, I see you on the stairway to heaven. Just put my finger on the trigger and pull back and lay a punk motherfucker flat as he wonder what pop before he got popped. I told you I was straight and you know it just stopped. Now I know you understand my flow, so here we go with Death Row. Come let a motherfucker know.
Ty na 15. Sabi, nakabili, tak?